Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hi everyone, I hope you are doing fantastic today. Let me take you on a journey that begins with pizza. Yes, the delicious pizza you love. Are you a pizza fan? Please raise your hands up. Wow, great, that's awesome, hands down. But this story is not just about the pizza you eat. It's about an American programmer named Laszlo. Just like you, he was a die-hard pizza fan. So back in May 2010, this guy made an announcement on the internet. I will trade 10,000 bitcoins with just 2 pizzas. But quite unfortunately, no one responded. It took 4 days for someone to respond, and finally, a teenager named Jeremy delivered 2 pizzas in exchange for those 10,000 bitcoins, which was worth only 2,000 rupees at the time. Now here's the interesting part of the story. Those same 10,000 bitcoins today is worth more than 6,000 crore rupees. Yes, you heard me right. And that's crores for just 2 pizzas. Now doesn't this story make you sit up and think, wow, how far have we come with technology? And today, the technology has attained the power to revolutionize, to transform and redefine your future. There is a strange pattern in the human history. Whenever a new technology arrives, the human society reacts the same way. First, they will laugh. Then, they will deny it. And then, after a little bit of hesitation, they will accept it. As of 2025, why should we be afraid of adopting new technologies? Because some humans believe that adopting a new technology admits the fact that earlier beliefs were wrong. That is the biggest mistake. The biggest mistake is that not learning about the new technologies. Let me take you to a classic example. We all save money today in order to meet our financial needs tomorrow. But there is a big problem in it. And let me explain it to you with the story of a man named Vinod. A casual Indian, middle class, father of 2 daughters. The moment his 2 daughters were born, Vinod decided to save 10 lakh rupees in his bank account. You all know the wedding expenses in India, right? Of course, Vinod decided to save this for their wedding expenses. After 20 years, when Vinod went back to take this money from his bank account, he was heartbroken to realize that his money is now worth less than half of its value it had then. And this is because of inflation, the silent thief that eats your money, and the value of rupees has depreciated significantly. And trust me, my dears, your situation will be no different if you continue to follow the same approach in saving money. So the sole solution for this problem is to invest your time in learning about new technologies and finding an alternative solutions. And thus, the blockchain technology was developed. Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency today, is worth more than $3 trillion. Which means, if you had invested 1,000 rupees before 10 years ago, it would have become 100 crores today. Something sufficient for the next 10 generations to live. And that's incredible. And this takes me to the most interesting question. Will you embrace the change or let the change just pass by? You can be definitely successful if you become an early adopter in the upcoming technologies. And we have got the best example in our neighborhood itself. Here's the story of Muhammad Aslam, a 19-year-old boy from Kerala who earns 4 lakh rupees not by doing a traditional job, not by going to his office for a 9 to 5, but he bought a piece of land in the digital world. He placed virtual billboards on his property, creating a passive income, much like we do advertising here in this real world. And that's incredible. How many more untapped opportunities lie hidden within this platform? And I want to tell you that Bitcoin was a technology developed in 2009. And as of now, the global crypto market is worth $3.1 trillion. And that's almost the size of entire France's economy. Now my question is that, I repeat the question with you, will you embrace the change or let the change just pass by? The answer is within you. You have to become somebody you have never been before. You have to go somewhere you have never gone, and you have to do something you have never done, and you have to say something you have never said. So I repeat, Before 15 years ago, Bitcoin was thought to be an illusion. But today, Bitcoin stands as the 8th largest economy in the world, all because of some humans working behind this technology. And with each passing days, a large number of technologies are emerging, waiting to be explored and embraced. So don't hesitate to adopt it. Don't wait for tomorrow. The time to understand, embrace, and adopt a new technology is today and now itself. The future lies within ourselves. So seek for new opportunities. And if opportunities don't knock at the door, just build a door. Thank you and Godspeed. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh.